unlocking the mystery of "This is Exhibit A." Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations, movies, and even in legal dramas. This is Exhibit A. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into how English speakers use language in various contexts. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. First off, let's break down the literal meaning. In legal terms, Exhibit A refers to the first piece of evidence presented in a court case. It's used to support arguments or claims made by one of the parties involved in the case. This evidence can be anything from a document, a photograph, to a physical object. The key here is that it's the first and often one of the most significant pieces of evidence, setting the stage for what's to come in the trial. Now, outside the courtroom, "This is Exhibit A" is used more figuratively. It's a way for people to point out a prime example or clear evidence of something they're discussing. For instance, if someone is talking about how technology can sometimes fail, and right then their computer crashes, they might say, "Well, this is exhibit of what I was talking about." It's a playful and effective way to highlight examples in everyday situations. Using "This is Exhibit A" in your conversations can add a touch of humor or emphasis to your point. Here are a few tips. Use it to introduce examples that strongly support your argument or point of view. Add a bit of drama or humor to your conversations by using it when something happens that perfectly illustrates what you were just talking about. Remember, timing is key. It's most effective when used right after the example or evidence presents itself. And there you have it, folks. Now you know what "This is Exhibit A" means and how to use it both in legal contexts and more casual conversations. It's a great phrase to have in your English language toolkit, allowing you to add clarity, humor, and emphasis to your discussions. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations, and see how it can change the dynamics in a fun and engaging way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.